All right, guys. Good morning, Bears. I'm Camron. Welcome to your BTV announcements. Today is Thursday, February 6th. And did you know it's Black History Month? This celebrates the collective experiences of African Americans, such as myself, Karina, Eileen, Tarvis, like everybody in the BTV crew, everybody. Bears, today is our first track meet, so make sure you pop out and show some love for your track and field athletes at Hero Stadium. It's like a couple minutes away. You know, you can make the drive because I'll be running too. Kindness Week is coming up, Bears, from February 10th through the 14th, and Stuco will lead the celebration with Spirit Days and Kindness Challenges. Begin by nominating a teacher who spreads kindness every day to be crowned Brennan's King and Queen of Kindness. We'll make Mr. Turner the Queen of Kindness. By tomorrow, let Stuco know how these teachers make a difference by using the link or QR on the screen. Winners will be crowned on Valentine's Day. Stay tuned for the full Kindness Week flyer next week. Let's make Brennan an even kinder place together, collectively. Sophomores, register today through next Wednesday. Freshmen, register through February 18th to the 24th. Think about CTE electives such as AV production, which puts together BTV, auto tech, engineering, construction, fashion, culinary, forensic science, law enforcement, or health science. This is CTE Spirit Week. Today is My Heart Belongs to CTE. So, did you wear your shades of red? Tomorrow is CTE. It's Team CTE. So wear your favorite jersey or team attire. Yesterday, our Bear basketball team faced Stevens, and on Saturday, they go up against Taft at 12:30 p.m. at the Paul Taylor Fieldhouse. BFND Bears on your march to state. We believe in you. You guys have to go to state. On Tuesday, our Lady Bears basketball team ended their last regular season game against Warren with a 68-51 win and a 14-2 record, placing them second in district. Huge shout out to freshman Elena Perez. Eileen told me to say that. Don't get at me. For hitting 18 points all in the first quarter, going 6 for 6 from the three-point line, finishing with a total of 21 points for the game. Janaea Walls also added 15 points of her very own. The Lady Bears are playoff bound. Yesterday, our Lady Bears soccer team faced off against the Lady Taft Raiders and tomorrow they play against the Warren Warriors at Northside Field, number 2 at 5 p.m. BFND ladies. Also, yesterday, our Bears soccer team went up against the Taft Raiders. Tomorrow, they square off against Warren at Northside Field, number 2, but at 10 p.m. BFND Bears. Brennan Bears track and field asks for your support for training equipment, a practice timing system, event-specific equipment, and uniform restock, and also travel expenses. Click on the link to their fundraiser page on X, or wherever it's going to be, I don't know. Today, UTSA representatives will be at the Career Center during all lunch periods for an application workshop. They're here to help you complete your application to become a road runner. Take advantage of this. This Saturday, there is an accelerated instruction opportunity from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. That will provide students with an intensive review of materials needed to pass the EOC exam. Check-in time is from 8 through 8:30 a.m. at the main entrance of the school. Remember to bring your Chromebooks for that day as well. The STAR EOC exam will take place in April. Take advantage of this free program. If you cannot attend, though, there is a free session scheduled on February 22nd. Finally, our education and training stand in CTE prepares future educators, counselors, leaders to make a difference in the lives of others. From hands-on teaching experiences to learning essentials for the classroom, this program is perfect for students passionate about teaching the next generation. Interested? Stop by Child Development Teacher Marciela Flores Classroom and E103 for more information. This is all we have for today. Don't forget to follow us on X and also Instagram BTV Bears. You can also catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Camron. I had a lot of energy today. I'm signing off. Have a great day. Keep a positive mindset. Stay engaged in your learning and evolve every day. Make sure to show up for track. Go track. I'm going to be there every single meet. Make sure you show up. We're going to be running every single time, winning every single time. Knock on wood. Bye-bye.